Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to throw a foam dodgeball fast. This will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this video. If you have a foam dodgeball like this and you want to throw fast, it's really easy to do. Very similar to throwing a baseball, except instead of throwing overhead like this, you're going to kind of throw to the side. So let me explain to you the 4 simple steps for throwing a foam dodgeball fast, and then I'll demonstrate myself throwing it pretty quickly. And I've played dodgeball for many years. In my elementary school days, I was like the dodgeball king. I'm just throwing it out there. Literally, I was like the king of dodgeball. So like everyone knew if I'm on the court, get out of the way. Totally joking. I was not the dodgeball king, but now I could be. Anyways, let's move forward. Step number 1 is your grip, okay? You want to throw a foam dodgeball fast, you got to grip it. Now, I'm assuming your hand is big enough to grip the foam dodgeball, depending on the size of it, but you want to get all 5 fingers, grip it. And you want to give it a good squeeze. We're not talking about like this, right? We're just talking about a gentle squeeze to the point where you're not going to lose control if you're going full force with the speed of your arm like that. So that's step number 1, grip it firmly enough that you are not going to lose it, okay? You're not going to lose control, okay? Step number 2 is you're going to twist your torso backwards while at the same time bringing your arm backwards to wind up. So essentially, my left foot is in front because I'm throwing with my right hand. So if you're throwing with your right hand, your left foot goes in front. And if you're throwing with your left hand, your right foot goes in front. I'm going to take my torso, right? And by bringing my right foot backwards, I'm twisting my torso backwards and I'm bringing my arm back to wind it up like that, okay? So what I'm doing now is step number 3 is twist your torso forward to get a little bit of torque. Okay, that's how you create torque, which is basically the spinning force, the twisting force. So twist your torso forward, right? So I'm bringing this part of my torso forward like that. And at the same time, get your arm and rip it forward. And then release. Now you want to release depending on where you're trying to throw it. If you're trying to throw it directly in front of you, I'm going to release right essentially here. If I'm trying to throw it to my left, I'm going to release over. And if I'm trying to throw it to my right, I'm going to release under. Just like that. Like in terms of my range right there. So essentially, grip the ball, okay? Bring your opposite, bring the same foot back. So I'm gripping the ball with my right hand. My right foot is coming back. My left foot, my opposite foot is forward. So now I've wound up my arm, okay? And then I'm going to twist my torso forward. And then boom, just like that. What it's going to look like, I'll do it in slow motion, then I'll probably do a little bit faster. So what it's going to look like is this. Okay, I'm ready. I get into position. Boom, like that, okay? Now, we'll speed it up a little bit. I'll give you a nice full force. I'm in my parents' basement right now. No, I do not live with my parents, so just not that it's a big deal. If you do, that's totally fine. But before I get all these comments, like you're looking at this older guy in a toque living in his parents' basement. No, I work close to my parents, so sometimes I come and do some videos at lunch, and I use their basement because it's a nice open filming area, and me and my sisters have all moved out, so, you know, like, there's nobody here other than my mom and my dad who just chill upstairs. Hence why it's a little bit of a mess, because everyone's, you know, cleaning some stuff up down here. Anyways, so, once again, twist backwards, boom, just like that. Look at that. Off the wall. Look, I don't want to make a hole in the wall. So I'm going to go, we'll call it 80%, okay? Twist backwards, bam, just like that. It's that simple. That's how to throw a dodgeball fast and hard. Really easy. Obviously, foam dodgeball. With a rubberized dodgeball, it's going to work as well, but there's a little bit of a difference in grip, but that's how to throw it. It's that simple. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.